Nairobi suffered a string of protests in recent weeks. The opposition Coalition for Reform and Democracy is demanding changes to the Electoral Commission ahead of next year's election. It claims the commission is biased, and it's been calling supporters onto the streets to push its case. At least 3 people have been killed so far. Well, despite recent protests targeting their offices here, officials from the Electoral Commission say they are not going anywhere. The officials have said they will only step down through a political process that involves Parliament, and Kenya's Attorney General backs them up.
The Electoral Commission is a constitutional body whose composition, whose constitution, whose dissolution is provided for under the Constitution. I cannot comment on allegations of their fitness or otherwise, because no such claim has been brought to me formally. But I can say that if there are any concerns by any party, the method of the removal of the commissioners in their individual capacity is provided for fully under the Constitution.
But it's not just the opposition that's concerned. Observers from the African Union also have urged changes at the Electoral Commission. They've warned there could be trouble during next year's election unless all sides agree there's a level playing field. Kenya's government has yet to comment on the AU report, but says it's committed to a fair process.
I agree that there is no perfect electoral system, and a well-functioning constitutional democracy should always be reviewing its laws and regulations to produce as good as a result as we can.
The opposition last week called off its protests for 10 days to give negotiations a chance. It's seeking to raise the pressure on Wednesday with its rally in Nairobi. The government's tried to block the rally, but Kenya's High Court has ruled it can go ahead. Kiyo, CCTV, Nairobi, Kenya.